everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing wonderful. I hope you all had a beautiful holiday season. I am here. I am ready to clean this house. I have to be honest, I have put it off as long as possible. So we have all gotten pretty sick in our house, sinus infections. It's been just very hectic. And when everyone is sick, the last thing that you do is clean. But I am so ready to get this cleaning started. Something about me is I get tired of decoration very easily, so I am ready to take this house and just let the plant shine. So my goal for this clean with me is just to put all the Christmas decoration away, deep clean a little bit. I have done some deep cleaning, but not everything was clean, so I'm ready to just clean. One thing about Christmas decoration is that it just gets in the way after a while. You can't clean very well around it, so it's just really hard. So my favorite time of year is when it goes away and I can say goodbye and I can clean and I can just refresh the house. Let me know in the comments below, what are you cleaning today, and if you put your decorations away, because I know a lot of people are like, I'm done, Christmas morning, everything goes away. Be moving this tree to this wall just to give it a fresh look. I love to shop my house for decorations. I tend to just place things in different area, and to me that just makes a world of a difference. It gives it a fresh look. Also is a great way to save money, because we don't want to go out and buy everything brand new, because that can get very pricey after a while. I will also be securing this tree to this wall because, as you know, baby Soul likes to explore the house and the decoration, so I want to keep him safe. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some Spanish moss to this pot just to give it a finished look. I feel like without the moss, it doesn't look as clean. Now it looks like it was intentional. Okay, so this fake plant is beautiful. She actually tends to look pretty real sometimes in picture, but no, she is fake. I'm just gonna give her a nice little dusting. One thing that real house plants and fake house plants have in common is that you need to dust both of them regularly.
But something in my heart is saying that it's real, and I'm on the move when I'm with you.
Actually ended up keeping this blanket here. Is that deer-like pattern that I bought for Christmas this year. I felt like it was neutral enough that I could keep it out a little bit longer. I do have some new blankets that I'm gonna pick up for Valentine's Day, but I still have some time for that to happen. I love furniture or throw blankets, pillow, anything decoration that can be used in multiple different ways. Okay, brace yourself. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it is atrocious. It is so bad. I know. This is what happens when sickness comes into your house and you kind of push everything off. So we're gonna start with the tree, because as much as I love this tree, I'm ready to see it go. This year I kept this tree very kid friendly. I put up all of the kids' craft that they did at school, all the homemade ornaments. Normally I like to separate that into different trees, but this year I kept it all together. Next year I think I definitely want to do 2 trees, one in the playroom and one down here, especially now that we have so much space in this new house.
When I'm with you. To make a sound, don't need no words to say, yeah. Baby, you hold me down just like this gravity.
Okay, Okay, so sometimes it's hard to get the tree back in. I had a moment of like, oh my goodness, is it gonna fit? But it did. We're good. It fit. So here Baby Soul was not very happy. He could not get something figured out with Magnetile. So here I went over to give him some cuddles and just to help him out. This shelf is one of my favorite things to decorate in the house because it just has so much potential and it can go any way and still look amazing. Right now it does not look amazing because we have everything that I could find on the floor that Baby Soul was playing with, and I just kept putting it up on this shelf, but I'm ready to give it a refresh. Alright, first I'm going to put away some of this decor. I'm starting with a little Christmas village. This Christmas village is so old. It holds a special place in my husband and I's heart because we got it back when we were in college and, had no money for Christmas. And it just reminds us of where we have come from. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything that you own that you put out every single year that has such huge meaning for you and your family.
Don't need to make a sound, don't need no words to say, yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, yeah. We could be underground, you make it feel like space, yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, gravity.
Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Here in my channel, I like to do a lot of clean with me, decorate with me, all the plant tips and tricks that I live by to keep my house nice and green. As you can tell here in this house, our decoration style is plants. So if that's you or you want to add some more plants here and there, I am the girl for you. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the little propagation wall that I was talking about. I got these jars at the Target dollar spot, so I am so excited to add them to this wall. If you are a plant lover or know anything about plant lovers, as soon as we see jars, we are ready to make a new plant. So I've been propagating some heartleaf philodendron in this shelf. So propagation is just the act of making a new plant by either one, putting it in water or putting it in soil. I prefer to put them in water because I think they look pretty and I can just style them to be part of my decorations. Some important things to remember when you are propagating in water is that you want to switch the water as often as you can. There is a few reasons why. Number one is the oxygen level will deplete the longer that the water is sitting there, so you want to give it fresh water as often as you can. And number two is when the water starts to get really dirty, your plants will not continue to thrive.
You know how I like it, just how I like it. No need to find it, know what the time is. You know how I want it, no need for talking. You hit the target from when you walked in.
Okay, so here I'm just gonna try to tie these hands and feet molds from when my babies were little and just put it part of my decoration because oftentimes we make these molds and then we have no idea what to do with them. So I kind of like to display it right here.
Don't need to make a sound, don't need no words to say, yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, yeah. We could be underground, you make it feel like space, yeah.
Okay, I'm about to get pretty serious. I'm gonna get down on my hands and knees with my method cleaner just to clean some spots. Sol was eating some strawberry with some Cool Whip, so I had to just get down and clean the mess that he made. Okay, so remember how I said you need to change the water to your propagation? This is why. So I did not change the water to this propagation and it does not look very happy. Now, what I'm doing is taking out all the dead leaf, washing the roots, and then I gave it fresh water to see if I can save it. It should be fine, but you don't want this to happen all the time because it does take a lot of energy for the plant to come back from how sad and droopy it looks right there.
When I'm with you, don't need to make a sound, don't need no words to say, yeah. Baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, yeah. We could be underground, you make it feel like space, yeah. Baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, 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 just like gravity,
Okay, so I'm going to finish cleaning up the floor. Then I have to go back and clean the table. Just give it a nice good wiping and another disinfecting because yes, I wiped it, but as I'm cleaning and putting dirty things on it, it does get dirty again. So I am going to be re-wiping the table, re-sanitizing the table, and just getting it back together.
you know how I want it, no need for talking. You hit the target from when you walked in. It's crazy, 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 crazy how I feel, but something in my heart is saying that it's real and I'm on the move.
It is crazy how dirty things get under Christmas decorations. This is why it is so important that you sanitize everything and move everything around because it just gets so dusty from sitting in one place for such a long time, especially if you're an early decorator like I am.
Yeah. We could be underground, you make it feel like space, yeah. Baby, you hold me down just like this gravity.
So every single time I watch myself sweep the floor with this red broom, I kind of find it really funny. I think I need to get with the times and get one of those cordless vacuum that also vacuums your hardwood floors. I think it would make my life so much easier because I would just have to push the vacuum and go. But until then, I will continue with my broom because those vacuums are pretty pricey. If you have one, you are the real MVP. You are living a life of luxury, let me just tell you. So, fun story about this dry arrangement. We had this really big bush in the front of my house that it was about time that we cut down. So then I just decided to dry it out and bring it into the house and turn it into some home decor. It does need a bigger vase, but this is what I had in hand and that's how it's gonna stay. But look how clean this space looks. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I think my goal of just letting the plant shine is coming through, but first we gotta clean these stairs.
We could be underground, you make it feel like space, yeah. Baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, 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 just like gravity, gravity, gravity.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking this T-bar upstairs. I'm trying to create a space in my room for it. And now I'm going to clean my kids' little play area that we keep for them downstairs.
You know how I like it, just how I like it. No need to find it, know what the time is. You know how I want it, no need for talking. You hit the target from when you walked in. It's crazy, 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 crazy how I feel. But something in my heart is saying that it's real, and I'm on the move when I'm with you. Oh, don't need to make a sound, don't need no words to say, yeah.
Okay, so we are almost done. I'm just picking up the kitchen a little bit. The kitchen actually wasn't that bad.
We could be underground, you make it feel like space, yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity, gravity, gravity.
Okay, so we are done. Here it is. Everything looks so clean, so fresh. We are so excited to be living in such a clean and fresh house at the moment. I don't know what my kids are gonna do 2 seconds from now, but right now it's clean. Thank you so much for sticking by. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. There is only more content to come. I will see you next Sunday with a new video. Bye.
My heart is saying that it's real, and I'm on the